Right everybody, something just caught my eye. I'm at Aqua Steam Rally and I've come across this little A35 and you know it's absolutely cracking. Lovely colour, proper white grille. 1961 is just telling me, or I think this could be a 62. It's got a 60. He said he did have a 61. Proper lights on, look, proper colour on wheels. Absolutely lovely. I mean, I would imagine probably had wing mirrors at one bit, or would these have been stand? I don't know, but it's one with panelling in door out back. So it's trafficators. It's absolutely lovely sign written. He was sat here having a cup of tea a minute ago. He's obviously a bit shy, so he's probably not opted not to go on camera, but been really fitted out lovely. Little drink department there, look, I bet there's a little chill box, so really is lovely. Spare under there, correct lights, chrome bright works, lovely. But you know what I'm like for stuff like this. Proper badges on it. God, I used to chuck these things away when they probably needed half a day's welding, if that. Nice little touch there. I'll just open his door, I'm sure he won't mind. Look at that. Kitted out. Everything nice and proper. Two handbrake, all original. Beautiful. You didn't pull down for windows, look. What an absolute cracking and lovely little car. I'm just going to say thank you to him for letting me do a video, and I hope you all appreciate it. You know I like quirky stuff like this. Quite a few interesting bits down here, it's worth you all doing a visit. But keep tuning in everybody, give us a like, you like this little car. Pass a comment. Subscribe to the channel, there's always stuff like this on when I can find it. Thanks ever so much, bye. Right everybody, just take a look at this. It's a Model Y, I'm sure it's a Y. And it's a custom. And I know you might pull a face, I'm a classic car man, but listen, this is done with proper taste.
Yeah, bought a caravan as well.
This is absolutely something really, really special. I mean, I don't know how good audio will be, there's people about, but you've got to have a look at this. I mean, look at detail here. I'm not going to touch it because he's got a do not touch sign on it, but look. Absolutely fantastic. And at pinstriping. Exhaust. Every detail. I mean, back window, wow. Proper. I mean, there seems to be a lot of interest here and a lot of variation and stuff. Good show. I don't know how well you can see in there. I don't think you can really, but it is lovely. It's obviously open window a bit because to keep heat out. Inside's absolutely lovely. Spider on seat. It's like, well, I don't think I need to say much, do I? You must appreciate that. People on channel, got to do.
But it's the one who, when I lived in, I have the garage next door to where they live.
Yeah, but absorb this. Well, that's one of the nicest customs I've seen in a hell of a long time. So subtle, keeping cars true look. No doubt he'll have a snarling V8 on that bonnet. So thanks for watching anyway. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel and pass a comment, because this is worth a comment. Catch you all later. Bye for now.